In this video, we will be covering heat and the ways it applies to everyday life. Temperature. Temperature is the measurement of average kinetic energy in the particles of a substance. Thermal equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium is when two substances in contact with each other reach an identical temperature. Heat. Heat is the energy transferred between objects because of differences in temperature. Energy transfers from high to low temperatures and low to high temperatures until thermal equilibrium is reached. Say you had a can of juice that is 20 degrees Celsius sitting in a pool of water that is 10 degrees Celsius. Due to the difference in temperature, heat is given off from each substance until the temperature between them is equal.
Why does a skillet's handle become too hot to touch when it's placed on a stove? This can be understood by thermal conduction, which is the transfer of heat by collisions of particles due to increase in temperature. As the skillet is heated, the atoms nearest the burner vibrate with the greater energy. These vibrating atoms jostle their less energetic neighbors and transfer their energy. Gradually, the iron atoms farther away from the element gain more energy, making the handle too hot to touch.
Specific heat. Specific heat is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of a substance by 1 degree. Imagine you had a small cup of water and a large cup of water. Since there is less material that needs to be heated in the smaller cup, the amount of heat required to raise the temperature is less. Because of this, the specific heat in the smaller cup of water would be greater than the specific heat in the larger cup. In this problem, we must find the heat required to raise 25 kilograms of water from 0 degrees to 100 degrees. From this, we just plug in the given variables into the equation for heat and solve.
Heat is like hotness and warmthness, or warmth. Temperature is like how hot the air is or how cold the air is. I don't know if like equilibrium. Equal heatness.